everyone, it's Zero here, back with another video, and yes, I do like different again, but whatever. So today is another unboxing, but it's not a normal unboxing video like I've been doing. This is a mystery box. I have not done these forever since 2020, but yeah. So this is what, well, box everything up, but whatever. So yeah, it's been a while since we've done one of these. Again, the last one was back in 2020 when we were still locked down and stuck in quarantine. So it's been kind of a while. So yeah. So get into this. Rip it thinged up. And it's gonna get thrown out anyways. Look at that. Ah, here it is. So this is, I don't know what it is, the ID. I want to be careful with this. So it is a custom. Well, this is not official. This is a 3D printed of the Dragonite 2 from Dragon's Race to the Edge. I do have the standard, the normal one, but I custom painted that one. Owie. This one came painted. That's nice. Oh. So just like my other one, has a light in it, and I need to find out what battery it takes. Oh, it takes one of the small ones. Okay. Alright. Yes, this is custom painted, everyone. Well, this is painted. Let me, after I put this on, go get mine real quick. So this is 3D printed, as you can tell. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's 3D printed. Yeah, you can hear that. So I'm gonna pause and go get my other one. Quick, so we'll see you guys in a bit. So I got my other one. This is the one I painted myself, and it's also a flashlight. It's not that bright, but that's okay. This one is like a puzzle. This is the first version of the Dragonite. I painted this myself. It's not what it looks like in the series, but yeah, I custom painted this one. Got this back in 2020, if I remember correctly. So yeah, this one is also the same thing, but oh wait, that is bad. I'm gonna turn off the lights real quick. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, the lights are off, and it looks bright. So let's see. Let's point at the wall. Oh, that is actually a bright right there. Oh, nice. Oh, I like this thing. Let's compare this, point at the wall. Compare this with my other one. Yeah, it's not that bright. A bug. This one's not that bright. But I still love it. I like this one. I'm gonna have to put this one. Probably. I'll find someplace to put it. Yeah. So that is my mystery unboxing. I may do more of these, but you never know. I have not turned the lights back on because I'm too lazy. But yeah, that is the mystery unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's kind of bad, but yeah. So as always, I will see you guys in this video. Toodles!